In this video, I'll show you how to remove WordPress from your domain name. Start by signing into your WordPress dashboard. Go to Settings and click General. Next, locate the WordPress address and site address fields. If your website address includes /WordPress, remove that part so both fields use your main domain. After that, click Save Changes. WordPress may ask you to sign in again using the updated website address. Now, if your WordPress files are still installed inside a WordPress folder, move them to your website's root directory using your hosting file manager or an FTP client. Then update your website files if needed to match the new location. Finally, visit your website to make sure it loads correctly from your main domain and that all pages and links are working properly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to remove WordPress from your domain name. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to WordPress URLs for more tutorials.